Hey, Ryan here again. This is going to be our Oh Shit grab bar tray for your 24 to 26 JL and JT. So Gladiator and JL, 2024 to 2026. Part number is going to be 99-1020. So don't forget, if you got a 24 and up, you're going to want this one. So basically, quick unbox. Drop it out of the bag. So injection molded product. Basically what happens is it just drops in where your grab handle goes. Has a nice little rubber pad so you can pop that out and clean it out if you get any weird crumbs or something in there. But nice extra little storage area for when you have some passengers. I think these are a great idea. I find them really handy, so I think you will too. So don't forget, get yourself one of these guys, the Oh Shit grab bar tray.